In the last video you saw how to build these two beautiful modules. In this video we're going to connect them and mount the huge and stunning sliding doors. Ideally use clamps bigger than mine, but in the absence of better ones use whatever you have. Next, I made a hole using the existing holes used to screw the drawers and shelves and screwed until it reached the other side. You'll need a male and female screw set. Insert the female on the left side and then screw in the male on the right side, connecting both pieces inside and unifying the two modules. Repeat the process 3 more times in different places. Ideally, make 1 hole in each end and 2 in the middle. To finish this part, just put back the cover of the wall supports and we're ready to install the sliding doors. The doors are huge and come in one piece. So you'll receive 2 packages with the doors and this package with all the accessories. First, use this hardware with this particular shape in the top of the wardrobe. They are all different, so it's easy to identify them. Use these 2 screws, one on the top right and another in the top left. Then, screw these 4 screws, 2 on each side, to fix the metal piece. Next, we have this hardware piece used to connect the bottom of the doors. Mount it in the way I'm showing it. And screw the piece to the wardrobe like the top piece I just installed. Now, glue this fur tape in the right inner side of both doors. And what you about to see it hurt a lot, but I'll save the reaction to myself. Next, I install the wheels and you'll have to install them on the top part of the door. 1 on each side using these screws. Then I did the exactly same thing with these 2 pieces in the bottom of the doors. Okay, the doors are ready, let's take them to the bathroom and install them in the wardrobe. The next step is very important. The first door to be installed is the inner door. I hooked the wheel in the rail and then connected the bottom like so. The first door should look like this on the top. Next, install the other door on top of the first, following the same plan. First, hook the wheels in the rail and then clip the bottom part. Wasn't easy the second one, but it's done. And lock the doors in place. Next, I glued this rub strip to the metal piece that I'll be using to cover the gap between the wardrobe and the outside door. Use 4 screws and screw it to the door. To close the gap between the wardrobe and the doors, I need to install 2 more pieces, one on each side. Use 4 screws and put the hardware exactly how I did. There's no pre-holes in this step, but the metal pieces place is very intuitive. To finish, glue this plastic piece on the gap above the outside door and you're done. If you want to see how to install the drawers and other accessories of this amazing Pax wardrobe, don't forget to subscribe and click in the part 3 of this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.